Good morning, Madison.
Morning.
Happy Vlogtober. Are you excited?
Yes.
Madison is especially, am I saying that wrong? Why did I say egg special? I can't talk. It's still, especially, not egg special. I can't even say the word. I have to finish my coffee still. But anyway, you're very excited about this weekend. You want to tell everyone why?
Emily came home yesterday and she's gonna be staying for the rest of the weekend. She's good, and we're gonna like hang out and do stuff for my birthday, and she's gonna give me my gifts and stuff.
Yes, it's Madison's birthday weekend. Monday is Madison's 11th birthday. So sad. You're growing up too fast. And today, in addition to kicking off Vlogtober, is the 50th anniversary of Disney World. And everyone who's anyone is there except me. I'm having major FOMO.
The horror.
Major FOMO. I'm watching on Instagram and Facebook, everybody doing all of the things. But anyway, we're gonna decorate for Halloween today, and that's gonna be super fun.
And we're gonna get our passport.
And we're gonna get passports done today. Yes, so exciting stuff planned. Let's do it. Vlogtober 2021.
Hi vlogs. I don't know what you think I'm doing.
Hi guys, happy Vlogtober. It's the first day of October and I am going to try to vlog every single day this month. We have a special guest today.
Hi everyone.
Emily's home from college, so we have a fun day planned. Do you want to tell them what we're doing today?
I bribed mom to get Starbucks, so we're starting with that.
Pumpkin spice something.
Yes. And then we're going to Kohl's, and then we're birthday shopping for Madison at Old Navy and TJ Maxx and Target.
It's gonna be a fun day. And then we're getting passports made.
And then we're getting Starbucks again.
And then we're gonna decorate for Halloween. So that's gonna be super fun.
And I wore my special outfit for it.
And I'm gonna change because I have a Halloween shirt, but I'm not gonna wear my Halloween shirt for my passport picture because that might just be weird.
Because she's a fake fan.
Yeah. I'm not a fake fan. Wait, you can't just turn it off. You have to say goodbye.
You say hello and goodbye every single video in the same video?
Well, I say like, I'll see you guys later or something nice. You don't just abruptly shut the camera off.
You guys watch this stuff?
We'll see you guys later.
Oh my god.
Okay, so we are back from shopping. We took the kids out of school, got the passports done. That is no joke. I could not believe how expensive it is to get passports done. It's been a long time. The only time I did international travel was actually the first week of October in 2001. So it's been exactly 20 years since I have traveled, and we went to London and Paris. It was amazing, and haven't traveled internationally since. So we are excited for some upcoming trips, and I'll share that with you guys as a later date because everything is just so, you know, up in the air right now with everything going on. But we're home. It's about 2:30. I still haven't eaten lunch, so I'm gonna have some soup or something, and then we're gonna start decorating for Halloween. So today's lunch is toast with cream cheese and lentil and vegetable soup, and I'm just having some water. I'm gonna watch some YouTube, have a quick lunch, and get to decorating. So currently it's about 5:30 at night. We have been decorating all day. This is my favorite setup over here with these 3 jack-o'-lanterns. I've had them forever and I just love the way they look in the dining room. I have some cleanup to do. We've been going at this for a few hours now, and I'll leave a link above if you want a full Halloween house tour, because I've done it so many times in the past and it's kind of the same all of the time. So you can check that out if you want to see more of my Halloween decor, but I did show you guys kind of as I was putting things out this year, and that was a lot of fun. But I need to clean up the mess. I still need to do my tablecloth. I have to switch that out, and that's going to be the last of it. I have to put all of the bins back in the basement and figure out what we're doing for dinner because it was really busy today and I really have no idea. So that's what we've been up to pretty much all day today. I just did the table. I think it looks great. I love this kind of like a black cobweb runner that I have, and this really old candelabra, and then I also have these antique candlesticks that are made out of brass and my bone candles. So I think it looks really great. And again, this is my favorite. I love these guys over here. So in my office, I have my Mickey Mouse candle, and I shared this on my Instagram, and I also referenced it a lot for a Haunted Mansion video that I have coming to you guys soon. But this book is so much fun. Oh my gosh, I have this red cardinal. Wait, do you see him? The red cardinal literally lives in the tree now, and he's such a glutton. He comes to this bird feeder consistently all day, and he's getting really quite fat. But anyway, back to the book. The illustrations in this book are so amazing, and there's just so much great information about the Haunted Mansion, all of them. And I'm just loving it. It's really, really a lot of fun. Look at this. Such a great book. And also the front cover, the ghosts glow in the dark, so that's pretty fun. And then I also have my countdown to Halloween Mickey and Minnie here, which is so adorable. I wish they had something like this, and maybe they do. Let me know in the comments if you know of it. If they had a countdown calendar like this, but for a Disney trip, how much fun would that be? Obviously, I would need 3 spaces because my trips are typically booked well over 100 days in advance, usually closer to 200 or more days in advance. But that would be so much fun if there was like a little countdown calendar like this with Mickey and Minnie. I added some items to my bookshelf for Halloween, like my very cool Haunted Mansion sign and my Constance Hatchaway bride in this jar, which is so cool. But I'm feeling like my shelves are so incredibly crowded right now, and it's something else that I want to work on sometime soon. I just want to make this less cluttered, and my books really aren't even very organized anymore because I kept buying books and I got to the point where I was putting them wherever they fit. So yeah, that's going to be a project hopefully this month as well. So I just ordered dinner. We're just getting burgers and shakes from a local restaurant to go. Emily just went out to pick that up. So that's going to be dinner tonight. I forgot to show you guys my decorating for Halloween shirt with Jack Skellington. And it says on the top, "This is Halloween." So yeah, of course I had to change to decorate for Halloween. We had a lot of fun today. We had Halloween music playing and we just had such a good time decorating. I even did the front porch. I wasn't able to share that with you guys, but I decorated outside a little bit, so it was really a nice day to do that. And what a great day to kick off Vlogtober and be able to share all of that with you. Madison also was decorating for Halloween in her room, so she's gonna show us what she did today. Let's see.
So, here, can I hold the camera?
You're gonna hold the camera? Okay, good.
Okay. So on my calendar, I have this little skull thing right here hanging up. Here is my dresser. So we have some pictures, blah, blah, blah. Then we have this is my mom's, but I'm using it. And then we have just a lot of stuff here. And then over here we have some stuff. Then over here we have some Halloween stuff. Yeah. Oh, we also have a little Halloween rock that I painted like 2 years ago.
Oh, that's cute. Very nice. Nice decorating, Madison.
Thank you.
Did you have a fun day decorating for Halloween?
Yes.
Yeah. Me too. I had a good time, right?
Definitely.
Yeah. Halloween is my favorite. We had a lot of fun. So for dinner, we got cheeseburgers, and basically everyone got cheeseburgers and shakes. And Madison had to be different with a hot dog and a strawberry shake. Looks good.
Bison.
Oh yeah, Jim got bison, but Brandon got bacon cheeseburger, right?
Yep.
And Emily got basic cheeseburgers for us. Looks good. So if you didn't see my video that I shared a couple of weeks ago, I'm doing the Boo to You readathon. It's hosted by the Bookish Princess, Emma, and also Anne from Disney Princess Lessons. So much fun. Check out my video if you're interested in hearing more about it. But these are the 2 books I'm currently reading. I selected a whole bunch of books to read in the month of October, so I'm going to try really hard to get through them all. The Death of Mrs. Westaway by Ruth Ware. I've really been wanting to read this for a long time now. And then Water for Elephants. So far, so good. I'm doing the thing where I try to read a couple of books at a time. Especially this time of year, I like to have a book that's kind of scary and creepy, but then also have one that's not, in case I'm like not in the mood for that. But I've really been loving mysteries lately, so I'm really enjoying this one. Okay guys, so it's just about 8 o'clock at night and I am going to get ready for bed. I think that me and Jim are just gonna watch a movie, and I hope that you guys enjoyed coming along today. It was a lot of fun decorating for Halloween. It's one of my favorite things to do, and I really had a great time doing it. I was really happy that Emily was home today from college, and she's going to be home all weekend, and I just found out she can actually stay until Monday, which is awesome because Monday is Madison's birthday, and she's super excited now that Emily can be here for at least part of it. She can at least see her in the morning before she heads off to school. So that's what's going on. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night.